Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Today's video I'm doing a first impression on a hair mask, and it's this one right here. So this is the Eden's BodyWorks Split End Repair Mask. I picked this product up at Target and it retails for $8.99. So let's go ahead and jump into what the claims are of this mask. So in the back it says, works in minutes to transform hair and prevent additional damage, use weekly to strengthen hair, lessen breakage, and experience fewer split ends. So as a first impression, I can't tell any of that, but I'm just gonna see how it makes my hair feel. If my hair feels nice and soft, does it feel like moisturized? So we're gonna go with that, but those are the claims. So directions says, after shampooing, massage into the hair, work down from shaft to end, cover with cap, leave on hair for 40 minutes. For deeper absorption inside the cuticle, add heat. Awesome. Awesome. Very faint, like very soft, but it's giving me like a fruity vibe, like a melon or something, or like lipstick, like old school like plastic lipstick. This is, I don't know, it's hard to tell, but it's very faint. It smells alright. It doesn't smell like too crazy, but it's whatever. My hair is really drying up. Oh boy. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna start applying it. Ooh, it feels nice and really creamy. Oh, I like that. It's not a thin or thick product, but it feels very creamy. Oh, I like that. Okay. It's like gliding through the hair. Oh, it's feeling nice. It just feels like really creamy. So can you see like the side that I applied? Hold on, I have to apply more, but like with the hair mask, without the hair mask, like my hair is like looking really dry.
I don't know. It smells familiar, but I don't know what.
I'm not too crazy about the scent, but it's like very faint that it's, my voice is cracking. It's very faint that you can't really like detect it, but like if you smell hard enough, I'm getting that. So I'm just gonna finish touching up, but that's pretty much it. I applied a lot, so I just kept on applying a lot, so whoops. So this is pretty much all I'm going to apply. I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for about 40 minutes with a plastic cap. All that stuff is in the bathroom. So yeah, I'll see you guys when my hair is completely air dried and styled. So my hair is completely air dried and styled, so I can give you guys my first impression of this hair mask right here. So let's start with how my hair was feeling in the shower and outside of the shower. So in the shower, as you guys can see, I was gliding it through my hair with water and it was really good. Now outside of the shower, it was the same thing. My hair is completely dry in these clips and I was just gliding my hands through my hair, raking it through, and it felt really soft. So that's one thing I'm noticing with this hair mask. So this product is made without harsh / traditional sulfates, contains no mineral oils, petroleum, dyes, or paraben, and is cruelty free. So that's how the ingredient list is looking. Of course, you know I love my aloe vera leaf juice. Has coconut oil. It has sweet almond oil. So it got some good stuff in it. One thing I do like about it is the texture of it. Like, I like that it's not too thick. I like that it's not watery. I like that it was very creamy. It has some good slip, and I do like that with this hair product. Now the claims of this, I can't really see it as a first impression. So the fact that it says that over time it's going to help strengthen the hair so that you can experience less split ends, I can't really see that as a first impression. Hopefully in time it does that good stuff. What else? Just because this product is not giving me much to work with. It's really not.
It's a mask.
It's a mask, but like it doesn't make a lot of claims, and the claims that it does make, I can't see that. So I'm just like, what else can I say? What else?
Do you think it could do what it says?
Maybe. I don't know. The whole like split end repair mask, like it's not gonna repair your split ends. Like it's a done deal. If it's split, you have to cut that. But the fact that it says that it's gonna help strengthen your hair over time, that I can believe. I can believe that. Just because with hair masking, like when you do a deep conditioning mask, if you have good ingredients, it's going to help promote healthy hair, which is going to lessen the split ends you have. So I can see that.
What else does it claim?
Nothing.
Did this mask impress you?
Did this mask impress me?
Yeah.
It impressed me with how, I like this. It impressed me with the texture of it. Like, I really do like the texture. It's really creamy. It felt really nice in the hands. And it impressed me with how it felt on the hair. So that it did impress me. Like, it was like gliding, and it felt nice. So I was impressed with that. Next question.
Is it expensive?
Is it expensive? No, it's not expensive. It only needs $10.
Do you have to use a lot or a little?
I felt like I applied a little bit too much. But I feel like
last a long time.
it will last a long time just because it's 16 fluid ounces. I applied a little bit too much, but I feel like with this, like, you have to apply like a good decent amount. That way it can coat all throughout the hair. I feel like it'll last a long time. It's a big bottle.
How did you find this product?
How did I find this product? I was in the store. I found it at Target and I saw it there, and I'd never seen it at Target before. So when I saw, oh, I'm speaking to you guys. So I didn't see this at Target ever. So when I saw it, I was like, oh,
This sounds different.
this is different. So I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and try this out. Cause they didn't have it at Target before. I didn't even see this at Sally's. I don't know. What else you got?
What's your favorite ingredient in that list of ingredients?
Water. Water. Because water.
What's the first ingredient?
Water.
Nice.
Water. I wish aloe vera juice was higher up in the list because I do like that, but that's cool.
Is it thick? You probably already said this.
Yeah, I did.
Is it thick?
No, it's not. It's not a very thick. It doesn't feel heavy. It's not watery. I don't like watery hair mask whatsoever. But it was like right in between. That it was like not too thick, not too thin. It was just nice in the hands.
I feel like this mask tells you to keep it on longer than any other mask ever
Yeah,
said.
it did. 40 minutes.
Don't they usually be like 10 minutes?
It'd be like, yo, leave it on for a minute and 35 seconds. Yeah, for 40 minutes. I left it on my hair for about 30 minutes and I had a heated cap. So even with doing that, my hair felt nice. It wasn't dry feeling, but it wasn't as moisturized. Like, it's not, I don't find this to be like too moisturizing on my hair. If it's on your hair and it feels moisturized, perfect. I like that. But for me, it was like an average mask to me. Like, it was good, but, you know. That was our little Q&A session. Brought to you by Anthony.
First impression.
First impressions. So I think that's it. Let me know if you guys have tried this product out down below. And if there's any other hair masks you want to see me review next, comment the name of it or tag me on Instagram because I'm always checking that. But thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.